Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make your laptop battery last longer in Windows 11. So for this you have to go to the settings option. For going to settings option, you have to go to the start button and search for settings, and after you go to the settings you have to choose the Bluetooth and devices and make sure that the Bluetooth is turned off because it takes much more batteries. Then you have to go to the system, and here if you have to click on the display option, and here in the brightness you have to make sure that the brightness is making to the minimum level that you need, because my maximum brightness take much more battery. Then what you can do is go to the apps again. Then here you have to find for the startup app, and if you click on the startup, here you will get to see that apps that are in the startup, it consumes much more battery. Try to turn off maximum of the startup apps that you don't need to start up while you are starting your computer, and after that it will most likely to get fixed. But if it don't get fixed, then what you can do is go to the start button. Then here you have to search for the control panel option from here, and once you click on the control panel, you have to make sure the view by is into set into large icons. Then you have to choose the power options from here, and here you will get the option of the battery saver. But in my computer there are no options here, but in your computer it was supposed to show that the balanced option here, the power saving option. You have to simply select the power saving option from here, and if you don't have that, you can simply create a power plan from here, and here you can see the power saver option is here. You can simply just select it and it will simply show here. And after that, the last and final method is just simply turn off your Wi-Fi when your Wi-Fi is not needed. If you click on the Wi-Fi and just click on the turn off, then it will simply turn off your Wi-Fi. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.